Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Mindy, your sex therapist, and I'm really excited to introduce you to the new squeeze line by Bodywand. Bodywand just came out with Kegel balls, and we know that Kegels are overall important for the body for so many different reasons. I think the most common reason that people want to do Kegels is because they want stronger, more pleasurable orgasms. Yes, and Kegels will help with that, but they actually offer so much more to your overall health. One, Kegels and Kegel balls in general will strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. If you are somebody that pees a little bit when you do jumping jacks, these are for you. And don't worry, we're going to give you a reference guide that walks you through the step-by-step on how to use each product and really maximize the benefits from the Kegel balls. This is your basic single Kegel ball by the Squeeze line, and it is a great starter Kegel ball. It is light. It is where you want to start. It is only one ball. This is great. This is a great option if it is your first time starting with Kegels. You're probably wondering how this ball can maximize and help your pelvic floor. Let me tell you. First, I want you to take lube, water-based lube, and put it on the ball, put it on your vulva. Then you are going to insert this into your vagina. Now, if it is your first time, I recommend you lay down. Lay down for 15 minutes with this ball inserted. Don't worry, your body is actually working. If that seems easy, stand up, wear this ball inside your vagina for 15 minutes, and your muscles will do the work for you. The key is to keep this ball inserted for the full 15 minutes. Now, if it falls out, that's absolutely okay. Go back to laying down. If you want to take your Kegel to the next level, then while this ball is inserted, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, hold them for 5 seconds and release. Repeat that squeeze 15 to 20 times. The next up in line is the Kegel Ball Duo and the Pro Kegel Ball. The Kegel Ball Duo is 56 grams and the Kegel Ball is 65 grams. So as you work your way up, think about, as my muscles are strengthening, I can start progressing into the balls. This one offers the ability to take one ball out if it's too heavy. Doing Kegels can be sexy, and it actually can be arousing to the person doing them. So the Squeeze line also offers a vibrating Kegel ball. This ball is 70 grams. So this ball is heavy. It's really at the max. So don't go to this ball until you are ready and your pelvic floor muscles are strong and you want to take them to the next level. But this remote and the button at the bottom of this string allow for multiple vibrating variations and will offer a little extra work for your muscles, but also be a little arousing. And you can control it or give it to somebody else. Last up is the 5-piece Teardrop Kegel Set. This is something that everybody can benefit from. This has your weights from 37 grams all the way up to 115 grams. This is a set that will take you from the beginning to the end. If you are dedicated to your overall health, your sexual health, and your pelvic floor, this is a great product for you. If you don't know where to start or you're starting at the beginning, this product has everything you need from the beginning all the way to the end of strengthening your pelvic floor. If you're curious about the shape of the 5-piece, it's a teardrop shape, of course. Again, put the water-based lube on it, insert into the vagina, hold for 15 minutes. Now, I understand that a Kegel can kind of be this myth of an exercise. Don't worry. We have created a resource for you that is going to break everything down on why this is healthy for you overall and how to do it. Every time you purchase one of Bodywand's Squeeze Kegel balls, you will receive my reference guide that I wrote for you that is going to break down how to use each Kegel ball and really properly maximize your Kegel exercises. I'm Dr. Mindy, your sex therapist. Now go out and have